Hi Simon, it's birthday. Sudlay sa Dali, sudlay. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. This is the way Simon comb. Wait. This is the way Simon comb your hair. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. This is the way Simon comb your hair. So early in the morning. Hi Simon, it's Sunday morning. And have a hairdo. This is how I brush your hair. Oh no, this is a comb. Combing here like this. I see your eyes, Simon. Daghan naman po dahil kag-uban, Simon. Simon, daghan kag-uban lagi. Guwang na ka, mon. Taa daw sa imong mata, mon. Wow, it's a bright eyes. Handsome eyes. I see? Wow, and look at your hair. And your scalp. Scalp ba tawag ani? Bot si tawag ani basta imong panit. Limpyo kaayo walay kuto. Humot na kaayo si Simon. Mon. Udah kang uban lagi, mon. Yan edad ni mo, mon. Yan edad ni mo 4 years. 4 years old. Mon. Saan ang mata niyo, mon? Wala na kagitog naman, no? Mon, wala na kagitog naman? Mon! Tubag, mon. Mitaan na dabi? Dabi? Smile daw, mon? Oh, handsome, Simon. Tilon. Asa ka paingon, mon? Simon! Asa ka paingon, mon? Mon, asa ka mo adturon? Tugo man dahil ka, mon. Humot na mag-ay, Simon. Bango-bango man ng batang ito. Saan ito pupunta? Mag-shopping ka, mon? Mag-park. Mag-jogging, mag-exercise. Mon.